Since getting a pixie cut over the summer, I've decided to grow my cut back out. So I wanted to share with you guys a few of the styles that I like to use. These are my go-to hairstyles for each week, just whatever I'm in the mood for. So let's go ahead and get started. So towards the beginning of quarantine 2020, I decided to just chop all of my hair off, basically. This is the third time I've had a pixie cut in my life, and the length you're seeing on the right is my hair as of right now. I have not cut my hair since June. Only my fringe. I've only tinkered with just trimming my fringe. But when it comes to growing out a pixie cut, as far as styles go, I think you really have to depend on tools and accessories. So I like to play with headbands, and also I will curl the ends of my hair with a flat iron. And this is my first go-to style. Here I'm actually wearing my fringe. Later on in this video, you'll see me just push my fringe out of my face, out of the way. But I also like to do just a ponytail. I was so thrilled when I could finally have a ponytail again. And I know some people like to just whack that hair off during the growing process, but since I'm growing my hair out, I want that ponytail to get longer, so I'm not going to cut that off. But if you want to do something a little classier, I love using bobby pins. Bobby pins are gonna be your savior. So for this next look, act as if you're going to give yourself some low pigtails, but all I'm doing is just parting the hair. So I have the left side that I'm going to twist and pin to the right, and then this other side on the right, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to twist that section of hair and pull it to the left side of my hair or head, and then just use some bobby pins. However many you want or need, depending on your length, your hair type, layers, all that good stuff. Because I have a lot of hair and my hair is thick, I'll end up using 3 to 4 bobby pins. But I really like this because it's so quick and easy to do, and I think it just looks really cute. And also, I love taking advantage of using the trending hair accessories. So I love these huge bobby pins, these statement pieces, and I like to let the other side of my hair just be kind of free and not tucked behind my ear, and then I'll tuck the other side behind my ear, the one with the bobby pin. And I just have my hair parted on the side, and I also have some smaller bobby pins like this. Or you could go ahead and just take the top pieces of your hair, like your fringe, and just pin that back. And this is just perfect if you want your hair out of your face. So this is something I like to do, probably every other day. I just like to get my hair out of my face, but you could also, of course, use headbands, whatever. Here's just another example of using a statement bobby pin. So on that side of the hair accessory, I'll go ahead and tuck all my hair behind my ear, and I think that just looks neater. It looks so smart and not so messy. So the next look I have is with an elastic headband, and I love this. I got this one from my mom. Thank you so much, Mom. And I'll just let the hair towards the back of my head just be unruly and messy and wavy. And this especially looks cute when my hair is wet and I just let it air dry with some mousse. And going back to taking advantage of accessories and tools, definitely use gels, mousses, hairsprays. Those things are gonna be your best friends. And this is just another look with a different style of headband, and I've made it a little bit messier by framing my face, by pulling out the hair around my temples and my ears. But the other thing you could do is rock a hat. So you'll notice I still have my hair pinned up the way I showed you guys earlier in the video, and I love that look with this paperboy styled hat. I think it just looks really cute, especially with some statement earrings. But also, I think it's really important to remember that growing out your hair, it doesn't have to be such a headache. You can have fun with it. You can play around with different styles, different looks. And if you really want to, cut your hair into some style that would be very good for growing out your hair, do that. But this is just me rocking another hat with a ponytail. I am so thrilled. I have a ponytail again. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!